You okay?
This man did something very stupid. Watch the whole video to see his bad riding skills. The writer of this video is taking unnecessary risks, endangering not only themselves but also other drivers on the road. This could have easily ended in a serious accident, causing injuries. It's never worth it to risk your life or the lives of others just for a few seconds of adrenaline. Fortunately, the writer in this video was able to walk away from their reckless behavior with only minor injuries. But it's important to remember that not everyone is so lucky. The driver of this video is making a dangerous decision to drive onto a closed road. But as you'll soon see, karma comes swiftly. The driver is pulled over and likely faces a hefty fine for their reckless actions. The situation of this video can happen to anyone. This biker couldn't brake in time at a traffic light.
Oh no. Yeah. Hold on, watch out, bro. Watch out.
It's a good idea to get the bike checked out by a professional to make sure it's still safe to ride. Accidents can happen to anyone. It's important to be prepared and to always practice safe driving habits.
You okay? You okay? You sure?
Yeah.
In this video, we're going to witness an act of kindness and bravery from a biker who went out of his way to help two strangers in need. This story reminds us that a little kindness and bravery can go a long way in making the world a better place. We should always be willing to help others in need, just like this biker did. Let's spread positivity and kindness in the world around us. Take a look at a real-life example of responsible driving on the highway. That was a great example of responsible driving on the highway. Always remember to be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye out for other drivers and bikers. In this video, we see a biker encounter a truck that's not following the rules. Unfortunately, not everyone takes safety as seriously as they should, and this can lead to dangerous situations. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We often forget to take a moment and spread a little kindness. But in this heartwarming story, one biker reminds us of the power of a simple act of kindness. Because in a world that can often be harsh and unkind, a simple act of kindness can go a long way.
Push. push. You're on the bus lane.
As the biker rode down, he
lane.
noticed
Get
a
the
car
fuck outta
driving
here.
in the bus lane to skip the traffic.
Said you're in the bus lane.
In such a situation, it's important to stay calm and not let emotions take over. You should be responsible and not take matters into your own hands.
You're on camera, buddy. You're in the bus lane. Are you serious? What?
You fucking, why you make break?
Because there was something in front of me. Why are you in the bus lane?
You making an excuse for this? What, man? You see what you did?
Punted on.
If you're involved
you're
in
on
an
camera,
accident,
right?
it's important to stop and exchange details with the other party involved.
I'm calling the police right now.
Leaving the scene of an accident is a criminal offense and can lead to severe consequences.
Now I got it on camera.
I saw the whole thing. If you need a witness, that's my
All right, I'd like to report a hit and run.
you should report it. If you need a witness, that's my,
Just now?
my work number on. Just call that.
The biker was lucky to have another
I was
driver
riding
as
in
a
the
witness
lane,
to the incident.
and I got rear-ended by
This is a reminder that as road users, we should always be aware of our surroundings
Yes.
and be willing to come forward as a witness if we witness an accident or incident.
He's fleeing the scene.
Driving responsibly can help
Rita
prevent
Street
accidents
at,
and keep everyone safe on the
Nelson.
road. Also, if you witness an incident like this, be responsible and come forward as a witness to help the authorities
Yes.
take necessary actions.
I read high on Elantra. I've got it all on video. He's on Nelson Street now, going into the Loud Plus parking lot. His license, I've read Hyundai Elantra, license plate Z61WCS. Z61W Zulu 61 Whiskey Charlie Sierra, Quebec. He's in the Loblaws parking lot now, the underground. Several witnesses observed it. No injuries to me, but he rear-ended me in the bike lane, so.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.